loading paper, and printing an alignment page on the HP SmartTank 500 and 600 printer series. After unpacking the printer, filling the ink tanks, and installing the print heads, lift the input tray and then slide the paper guide to its outermost position. Load plain white paper into the input tray and then adjust the guide so it is touching the paper. On touchscreen models, touch OK. On non-touchscreen models, an A displays on the control panel and an alignment page prints. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page print side down in the left top corner of the scanner glass and then close the lid. Touch Scan or press the Start Black Copy button to align the printer. It is normal to hear sounds coming from the printer for several minutes after the alignment process begins. On touchscreen models, an alignment successful message displays. Touch OK. Remove and recycle the alignment page. Finish setting up your SmartTank printer by visiting 123.hp.com on your mobile device or computer.